Alright, once again, welcome to our class. Please let us learn a new thing today, what we call collecting of like terms. For example, in a class, a teacher might decide to tell you that all the ladies should sit one side and all the men sitting one side. That sitting arrangement is called collecting of like terms in mathematics, meaning you group all the alphabet that are like. So, for example, now look at the collecting of like terms. For example, now they are asking us to add 3a plus 2b minus p minus a plus 3b and plus 8p. Please remember, you cannot add things that are not alike. For example, now you cannot add a plus b. It's impossible. You cannot add them because this is b, this is a. They are not alike, so you cannot add them. Say somebody asks you to say add a plus b, tell them it's a plus b. A plus b is a plus b, but you cannot add them. So let us add these numbers. So you're going to rearrange these numbers. You're going to rewrite the numbers, bringing the a together, bringing the b together, and grouping the p together. So we are going to write 3a. You bring this a minus a. Please don't forget to write the minus sign. Then you write plus 2b. Then look at again. Where is b again? We have 3b here plus 3b. Then we have plus 8p. Even if you write this one first, no problem. We have plus 8p. Then we have minus what? P. So you can add the a's together, you can add the b's together, and you can also add the p's together. So in our previous video, I taught you how to add numbers. So I believe you can add this number. So let's see. 3a minus a. Please remember, any alphabet standing alone is 1. It's one of it. So a standing alone means 1a. And yeah, we have 3a. So from 3a, if you remove 1a, we are going to have what? 2a. It's just like 3 orange. You're removing 1 orange. What would mean is 2 oranges. So 3a minus a is what? 2a. Now let's go to b. We have plus 2b and another word plus 3b. So 2b plus 3b is what? 5 of it. So this is 5b. Just like 2 plus 3, 5. Then you just write the b. Then we have 8p and minus p. From 8p, if you remove just 1p, what will remain is what? 7p. So we have what? 7p. So this is the final answer. So what we have is 2a plus 5b plus what? 7p. Let's add another one. Let's go to the next one. Let's say somebody asks you to add 2e minus c plus 7e plus 9c. If you want to add this kind of numbers, you group them. You bring 2e plus what? 7e. Bring this together. We have minus c and we have plus what? 9c. Now let's add 2e plus 7e. It's just like 2 plus 7, which is 9. You write 9, just write e, meaning 2e plus 7e is what? 9e. Now I have minus c plus 9c. Minus c is just one of it. It's just like you have 9 naira and you are owing somebody 1 naira before. If you use your 9 naira to pay back your 1 naira, you still have 8 naira left, which is still your own, so it will be positive. So minus c plus 9c is what? Plus 8c. Plus 8c. It's just like from 9c now you're removing 1c. What will remain is what? 8c. So this is the final answer. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like, comment, and always visit my YouTube. So most of the teaching I'll be teaching them in YouTube. Visit my YouTube, like, subscribe, and always be up to date. Every evening, visit my YouTube and Facebook. You see more of this. These are foundational classes. So after this one, when you know how to add these numbers, multiply numbers, before you can go deeper. But for now, these are the basic mathematics principles. These are foundational mathematics. Bye. See you.